Let me show you a practical application of integration. Bucciarati and the gang are hiding in the Turtles' stand on a train to Florence. Narancia is exposed to Prosciutto's stand, the Grateful Dead, which rapidly ages anyone with a high body temperature that's exposed to it. If Narancia is 17 years old at the time and has just drank a hot drink, and his age in years is modeled with the expression below, find an expression for Narancia's age, the time which he reaches 90 years old, and if cold exposure reduces the rate by 10 times, how long would it take for Narancia to reach 90 years old if he drank a cold drink? We can start this question by recognizing we are given the rate equation. We've also been given the fact that Narancia is 17 years old initially, so we know we have to integrate with our initial condition. We can separate our variables onto each side and integrate both sides. We can then use our initial value that Narancia is 17 years old when he initially gets exposed, so we can find our constant c and hence find our expression for Narancia's age. For part b, we can substitute our value of Narancia's age being 90 to find the time it takes in minutes to reach this value. For part C, we can repeat what we just did for parts A and B, but instead of using the rate equation we're given, we can multiply it by 1/10. After solving our initial condition and substituting our value for this new rate equation, we can see that it would take much longer if Narancia had opted for a cold drink instead of a hot one. If you want a free JoJo's Calculus worksheet, DM me old and I'll send it over.